You work hard because what you do matters. For your family, for your customers, for your sense of accomplishment. There may be hundreds of good reasons for your hard work, and at Sears Seating, we support them all. Because we believe that while you work hard, there's no reason you shouldn't work comfortably. Whether you're caring for the land, helping to construct the future, or moving the materials that keep the world going, you should be comfortable doing it. In fact, your comfort is our main goal at Sears Seating. We put all of our effort into the physical science behind comfort because we know that better ergonomics and innovation means less fatigue and more energy. It means better health for you. Rely on our global team with over 160 years of experience, bringing passion and commitment to the work vehicle industry. All so that you can work hard and work comfortably. Sears Seating.